This is Ethan. He's 8 years old and lives in Minnesota with his mom and dad. For many years now, Ethan has been fascinated with automatic doors.
Nice.
He even dressed up as one for Halloween last year. Because of his fascination with automatic doors, Ethan's parents reached out to us at Stanley Access Technologies to see if it would be okay if they dropped by their local Stanley facility for a visit.
Since he loves the technology, he loves the kind of the full sensory experience of, watching the movement, of hearing the sounds, of being able to experience going and interacting with the technology.
We wanted to make his visit extra special, so in addition to a tour of our facility, we made sure Ethan would not go home empty-handed. Of course, no visit to our facility can begin without personal protective equipment. And then it was time to learn more about automatic doors.
For Ethan, this is like the coolest thing. It was just a very hands-on, in-the-moment experience for him, and you could just tell how happy he was.
At Stanley Access Technologies, we are always looking for ways to create a safer and more accessible world. We do what we do because we believe it is our purpose to bring people together and make real connections.
I like that.
Which is why we were so very honored to meet and connect with Ethan and his family.